Hi, my name is Kendra Tackett. I'm one of the counselors at Dunbar High School, and I wanted to take a minute today to show you how you can access information about our CTE classes on the Dunbar webpage. So to visit the Dunbar webpage, you'll go to www.pld.fcps.net. And once there, you will go to the Student Support tab and click on Staff and Services. Under Staff and Services, you will find information about a variety of topics, but to get information about CTE classes, you will want to go to the Scheduling tab. The Scheduling tab will give you some information about all of the classes we offer at Dunbar, but today we're going to be focusing just on our CTE courses. We have not updated the CTE courses for the 21-22 school year at this point, but we will be adding that information shortly. The information that we have on there now does explain our pathways that we offer and the classes that you will take as a freshman. So to find that information, you will scroll down to where it says PLD Career Pathways. You will notice on this page that we have several different pathways offered at Dunbar. We have a business pathway, family consumer science, media arts, engineering, information technology. And under each of these categories, we have several different content-specific pathways. So for example, in business, students can choose to pursue the pathway of accounting, e-commerce, or management and entrepreneurship. In each of these categories, we list what classes you are encouraged to take each year that you are in high school, in addition to what certifications you may receive if you complete that pathway. So for our business pathway, freshmen are encouraged to take either digital literacy or business and marketing essentials. For our family consumer science pathway, we have three options there: consumer and family services, early childhood education, hospitality, tourism, and travel. And as a freshman, you will take, this class is called Life Skill Essentials or Principles of Hospitality. Moving on, we have an area called Media Arts. And under Media Arts, you can take a graphic design pathway or cinematography and video production. New this past year, we expanded our engineering pathway to include engineering design and robotics. For both of these pathways, you start with the same classes by taking Engineering 1 and Engineering 2, and it's your junior year that you branch out into different classes depending on what pathway you want to pursue. And then finally, we have an information technology pathway, and this pathway focuses on computer science. And as a freshman, you will either start in computer science principles, digital literacy, or computer science A, depending on your prior background and experience. So that gives you an idea of what classes are available as an incoming freshman to take for each of our CTE courses. As you go on through the document, you will see that the information is expanded. It gives you some ideas of different careers that you could go into based on the information you would learn in each pathway. And again, it highlights the courses in order that you should take while you're in high school. As you go on through the document, you will see that we also have offerings at Eastside Technical Center, Southside Technical Center, and Locust Trace. If you are interested in pursuing agriculture or horticulture or veterinary science, those are all offered at Locust Trace, and you do want to go ahead and apply for that program as a freshman. For both Eastside and Southside, those programs typically start your sophomore year, and you'll continue on through your last 3 years of high school, your sophomore, junior, and senior year of high school. So this document provides you with quite a bit of information about the CTE classes and the CTE pathways that we offer at Dunbar. You can also go back to the page that we were previously on and read a more detailed description of each of those classes under the course directory. So if you simply click on course directory, that will give you a very detailed description of all of the classes that we offer at Dunbar, not just the CTE classes. So if you scroll on down here, pathways are included in there again. So our course descriptions start on page 12 of the document, and you can read a detailed description of each course that is offered at Dunbar. So I hope this information on the webpage gives you a little bit more guidance on what pathway you would like to pursue at Dunbar. We do encourage students to take a pathway course each year of high school, and you will meet with your counselor either in person or virtually to discuss those options and choose the pathway that's the best fit for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your counselor at Dunbar. You can find our information back on that staff and services page, and if you click on staff and services, we are all listed right there with our alphabetic breakdown. So again, my name is Kendra Tackett. So if your last name starts with M-O-O or S-A, anywhere in that area, I will be your counselor. All of our other counselors are listed on that page with their breakdown as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we look forward to seeing you at Dunbar next school year.